So now I will study about the recursion. So recursion in computer science is a method where the solution to a problem depends on solution to a smaller instance of the same problem. So for finding out the recursion, we have a good knowledge of a function. So for finding about the n factorial, so the formula of n factorial is n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 and so on. So for finding out the problem of bigger problem, we will first find out the smaller problem. So n factorial is equal to n into n minus 1 factorial. So here the smaller problem is n minus 1. So for finding out the n minus 1 factorial is equal to n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial. For finding out n minus 2 factorial is equal to n minus 2 into n minus 3 factorial. For finding out the n is equal to n factorial, n minus 1 is equal to n minus 1 factorial. So here we will create a project, new project. So we will go in file and then new, and here is your Java, our Java project, and your our we will write here project name as recursion. Recursion. So after we will write a project name and then we will go to finish, and here we don't create. So here is our new project recursion, and then we will create a class, new class. Here we will go in new, and after that class. So our class name is Factorial, and then after finish, Now we will make a function here, public static static, and here name of the function int fact. Sorry, confused. We will write once again. There is a mistake. Public static int fact, name of the function, and it will return integer. So mm, we will take an input and refreshes. And after that, we have studied earlier that for finding out the bigger problem, we have to firstly find out the smaller problem. So here in small and for finding out factorial and we will find out the smaller problem, fact and minus 1, and after that smaller answer, then we will um, and into small answer. Now we will go in main method and we have to find out factorial of 3. 3 or 4 we will take, anything we can take. Here in answer is equal to fact and increment. So for stop this recursion, we know that when we will find out the factorial 3, then after factorial 2, factorial 1, factorial 0, factorial minus 1, factorial minus 2, and it will continue forever. Then for stop this recursion, we will put some base case to stop the recursion. So here we will put base case if small answer is equal to sorry, if it is 0, Well, here I was wrong. There is some error. I want to fix it. Here we will write if and is equal to 0. And we will say here we are trying to run. So here is our answer. And here when we will put 3, the answer is 6. So thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe.